Rebel canners for all kinds of food preservation. If you want to see future videos, don't forget right now before the video starts to hit the subscribe button, like, and then you can follow us on Facebook too if you choose. Thanks! Let's do a review. So I was just at Walmart and I bought this kit. It is a, oops, I guess you don't want to read it in French. Fermentation lids and springs to try out, and I will tell you how they work. There's 2 wide mouth lids and 2 of these springs. And I'm going to try it out. I had wanted some fermentation lids, so we'll see. They say they are dishwasher safe, and I will check them out for you guys and let you know. I will be back in a few minutes when I go get something from the farmer's market to ferment. Thank you. Rebel Canner's Cookbook is available at Barnes & Noble, Walmart.com, and on Amazon. See the link below. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and visit us on Facebook. Stay with us. The best is yet to be.